it's Vicky here from Crafty Heaven, and thank you very much for joining me today. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make this really easy pop-up card. And we're using the new collection from Creative Craft. I've actually got half of the collection, and then another design team member has the other half. And if you haven't seen these, then you can check out my video, which I'll pop up here, and you can go and take a look at them in more detail. But today I'm going to be using the 18th stamp and die set. So this is the card that I have come up with. I haven't done too much to the front because I wanted the main focus to be on the inside. And then we open it up to reveal our pop-up section in our card, and then you can write your message on the back of the card. So let's get on and make this card. To make this project, you're going to need a card base, and this is actually a ready-made card, and it is 6 3/4 by 6 3/4. Then I'm going to need some black card, and this is going to be for the inside because I'm not entirely sure what I want to do to the outside yet. So for the inside, you're going to need 2 pieces of black card, and for that I'm actually using the Creative Craft Perfect Colours, and this is the 8 by 8. So these two are cut down to 6 1/2 by 6 1/2, and they will go on first. Then I've got some silver mirrored card, and you'll need 2 that measure 6 1/4 by 6 1/4. They will go on top. And then I'm using the Simply Made Crafts Bohemian Days paper pack for this one, and you'll need 2 that measure 6 by 6, and they're going to get attached onto there. So I'm going to go ahead and glue them down. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Now we want to add the pop-up section. So we're going to need 2 pieces of black card, and this measures 8 by 1, and you will score along the 8-inch side at 1 1/2, rotate to the opposite side and score at 1 1/2, and you'll do that to both pieces. Then you'll need 2 pieces that measure 6 inches by 1, and along the 6-inch side you'll score at 1/2 inch and rotate and score at 1/2 inch. Okay, then you're going to add some tape to these 1/2 inch tabs here on both pieces, and we're going to attach them to this. So we're just going to place that on there, and then peel off this side and attach it to this side. Okay, and then it should look like this, and you're going to do the same with these 2 pieces. Okay, so you'll have 2 that look like this now. Okay, and you're going to add some adhesive to the back and onto the bottom here, because then this bottom section will get attached to this side of our card, and then this back piece will get attached to there. Okay, so I'm going to peel off the backing on the bottom first. Now what we're going to do is we're going to line up this fold here with the center of this card, so where that fold is, but you don't want to line this up right up onto that fold because otherwise your card won't open and close. So I'm just going to fold that flat to make it a bit easier, and I'm going to come over. So I'm just going to grab my die because I want to see how much space I want. So I'm going to roughly come over probably about 3/8 of an inch from the edge here. So I'm just going to stick that on there. That's now attached, and then you'll see that when it folds over, this part of the pop-up won't come past your card. Okay, so Now I'm going to peel off the backing on here and fold my card over and press that down. So then when you open it up, it will look like this piece. So again, we're going to line up the fold here with the center of our card base and then attach this bit to the back of the card. So I've stuck them in, and I've also added some mirrored card and the colored card to that. So for these two here, the mirror card measures 3/4 of an inch by 4 3/4, so you'll need 2 for the front section of the pop-up bit, and then the pink card measures 5/8 of an inch by 4 5/8 of an inch, and you'll need 2 of them. Then for the top part, for the mirrored card, you will need 2 that measure 3/4 of an inch by 1 1/4, and then for the pink you'll need 2 that measure 1 1/8 by 5/8 of an inch. Then I've got 2 pieces of acetate that measure 5 7/8 by 4 7/8. One of them is going to go on the back of the front, so can you see I've added it there, and then the other piece I was going to stick it straight onto the back, but then I thought I could add some foam tape so then it can be popped up and I could add some decoration on there and it can, you know, attach to that acetate piece. So I'm going to glue this one down first. Okay, so that's now attached. Okay, so now I've added that in, and you can see it just gives it a slight gap between the acetate and the card, and then that way we can slide any of the decorations in. So if I want some balloons sticking out of there, I can, as long as it's not going past the edge of your card, then you can add some decoration there. I just thought it would be a bit different. So now I have die cut out my number 18 glued on the front of this acetate, and I'm going to die cut the TH as well, and then I'm going to go ahead and stamp some of the balloons, the cake, the party hat, and just decorate the inside of my card. And then I'm going to decide what I want to do about the front, decorate that, and then when I've done it I will come back. Okay, so I've finished that now. So I've just added the cake and the star and the sentiment on the front. I didn't want to do too much to it because, like I said, the main focus is inside the card. So then we open up the card to reveal our decoration, and I absolutely love it. So as you can see, I've stamped some of the balloons, I've got the cocktail there, presents, stars, and then I've got the sentiment that says party time down here, and another cake. And I just need to add some glossy accents, so I'm going to use the accent glaze from Made to Surprise, and I'm just going to add them to the glass and the balloons and just to finish that off, but I need to do that when I've finished filming this. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If so, give me a big thumbs up. Please continue to support my channel by just clicking on my profile picture that will pop up here anytime now. You can click on some videos that I have on my channel, and also you can click on the creative craft products that I've used in today's video if you click on this post here. So till next time guys, take care, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye for now.